Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Just yesterday, I made a video about control with the backspace when you take your text tool and you start hitting the backspace. It does one letter at a time, but if you hold down the control button, it'll do a word at the time. One of my viewers or subscribers gave me a little tip, not even in text mode. If you will double click your mouse, your left mouse button, and then you can delete the letter. Well, I'm hitting delete, not backspace. So let's do that again. So double click right there, and I can backspace one, or I can control backspace and do all the next word. So instead of having to go to the text tool and put it where you want it, you can just, while you're still in your pick mode, just double click on it and it'll bring up that cursor. And like in the video yesterday, you could just highlight the word and delete it. And while we're talking about that, if you see this arrow ever, they'll have different style. This one's not particularly cool. And I have a problem with Arial. I think it's Gabriola that you can do this and have fancy letters. So think about that next time you see the blue box come up and you have this arrow, because you could, do several things with it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.